Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Most keyboards include dedicated volume up, down, and mute keys that control system audio directly. Some laptops require you to hold the FN key plus an F key when multimedia keys are locked. Desktop keyboards often include separate multimedia keys with clear icons above the arrow keys. Pressing the mute key toggles sound off and on instantly. Volume up and down keys change output in small steps. These keys send standard volume control signals to the operating system. You can confirm response by watching the on-screen volume indicator appear. On Windows, press Windows key plus A to open quick settings and access the volume slider quickly. Use the volume mixer to balance individual app levels and device outputs in real time. On Mac OS, hold Option plus Shift while pressing a volume key to change volume by 1% steps for finer control. You can also press Option and click the volume icon to choose output devices directly. Use keyboard shortcuts together with the on-screen indicator to verify exact changes. This approach gives precise control for headphones and speakers. If volume keys do not work, check whether FN lock or multimedia mode is enabled on your keyboard. Toggle the FN lock key or use the keyboard software to switch between F key and multimedia behaviors. Update keyboard and audio drivers in Device Manager when keys fail to control sound. Roll back to a previous driver if a recent update broke functionality. Check external connections like the 3.5mm jack or USB audio dongle when speakers do not respond. Finally, install trusted keyboard utility software only if you need custom volume profiles or macros.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.